And Jai students, I am Kanchan, your English teacher, and here is the chapter The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. So in this chapter there are characters like Dr. Sadao here, who was a Japanese and who was a surgeon and scientist also, and his wife was Hana. So in this on this page there is a description of his house, that his house was there on a rock, and that was surrounded by pine trees. So here next Dr. Sadao was sent to America for his medical education, and he became a surgeon, and his father's dream was to make him a surgeon, and he went to America. वो अमेरिका गए थे डॉक्टर बनने के लिए, एंड वहीं पर उनकी हाना से मुलाकात हुई, एंड देन ही प्रपोज्ड हाना for marriage, and then he married with Hana. Then in the evening time he returned back to his house, and from there it was evening time and foggy एटमॉस्फियर, तो बहुत फॉग था, और अचानक से वो अपनी वाइफ के साथ खड़े थे वरांडा में. उन्होंने देखा कि एक शेप, एक अपीयरेंस वहाँ पे था, एंड उनको पहले लगा कि कोई फिशरमैन होगा जो कि वहाँ पर इस स्टॉर्म में या क्लाउड या मिस्ट में, फॉग में फंस गया होगा. तो ही वॉज थिंकिंग दैट इट वुड बी अ फिशरमैन, बट द पर्सन वॉज नॉट एबल टू मूव ईजिली, सो ही फेल डाउन, एंड देन Dr. Sadao and Hana, they went near the soldier, and then they came to know that he was an American soldier, American prisoner, and he was escaped. So वहाँ पे उसके कैप पर लिखा था US Navy. It means कि he was their enemy. So Dr. Sadao was thinking whether he should treat him well or not, and he was thinking, as a human being, as a doctor, if I leave him without any treatment, he will die very soon. So, but finally he decided that he will treat him, because he was a doctor and human being. So he did that, and he operated the person, and he was well. After few days, when he was well, then a general was there, who always believed Dr. Sadao for his cure and treatment for operation. So the escape, the servants in Dr. Sadao's house, they just went to their houses, because वो लोग नहीं चाहते थे कि इस अमेरिकन सोल्जर का इलाज डॉक्टर सदाओ करें, क्योंकि वो उनका दुश्मन था. उन लोगों ने क्रिटिसाइज़ किया और सारे सर्वेंट्स ने उनका घर छोड़ दिया. तो डॉक्टर सदाओ ने अपनी वाइफ हना की हेल्प ली, और वहाँ पे क्योंकि उसकी किडनी के बगल में बुलेट थी, डॉक्टर सदाओ ने उसको ऑपरेट करके निकाला, एंड एनेस्थीसिया दिया, एनेस्थेटिक दिया, एंड देन हना वाज हेल्पिंग हिम. आफ्टर फ्यू डेज ही बिकेम वेल, and then general has told ki he will send murderers, killers to kill the prisoner, and Dr. Sadao will be able to get rid of that, because it was very dangerous for Dr. Sadao to keep the soldier at home, क्योंकि वो उनके ऊपर एक तरह से बिट्रेयर का केस हो सकता था कि वो अपने एक एनिमी को अपने घर में उन्होंने शेल्टर दी है. फाइनली डॉक्टर सदाओ डिसाइड्स कि he will help the soldier to escape, and he provided him boat, food material, and drinking item also, and then he had given him his torch, and उन्होंने कहा कि अगर तुम्हारा खाना ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो तुम 2 बार टॉर्च जलाना. In this way he helped the prisoner, and the prisoner was able to escape from there. And then Dr. Sadao was thinking, why did not I kill him? Why did I treat him well? In this way, Dr. Sadao, as a human being, he did well, and he helped him, means the prisoner, to escape. So this is the story that teaches us we should be kind to others, because we are human being. So doctors also take pledge that no one is their enemy. So this is the summary of this story. Thank you, and Jai Hind.